Hey friends, we're going to draw a big garbage truck. Garbage truck in Spanish is carro de basura. Right now we're going to draw a curve coming here. Right now we're going to make a circle in the wheel. Okay, make one here in the front and two in the back. Okay. Another one here. So now we're going to make the part of the garbage truck. Make a curve coming here and the curve coming down here and go here, and we stop here. And we go here and turn all the way back. Next, let's make the body. Next, we're going to go up, up, up. It's very short. Right now, we're going to turn this way. It's very short. Right here is short too. Then with that line, next we're going to make a line coming here. Right now we're going to make a line here. We're going to make a line here. We'll be right back. And now we're going to make the windshield on our garbage truck. Our garbage truck looks bigger. Next on our garbage truck, we need that line. Next, we're turning this way. Then we're going to be all the way there. We're going to make a window. Yeah, we're going to make a line there. We stay there. We come here now. Well, now we're turning all down. That's very long. It's a long one. Next, we're gonna make this. This is long too. Then we're turning this way. We're gonna turn all the way. That's very long. Right now, let's keep drawing. Right now, we're going to make a window for our garbage truck. We're almost done with our window. Okay. Next, we're going to make the curve come here. Next, we're going to make the door handle for the garbage truck. Next, for the garbage truck, we're going to make all the way long. This is very long. There we go. Next, we're going to turn all the way. We're going all the ways. Okay. Next, we're going to go with the lights. Next, I'm gonna make another light here. Makes noise. This wheel, 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 wheel. Okay. Now we're going to make more. If I can clean it up, if I draw in later, draw later. Next, for the garbage truck, we're going to make more. Now, I'm going all the way back. Okay. Turn it all the ways. We stop here. Next we finish our truck. Next we have to put some sharpener. Next we'll start again. Well, now we're making the line who's very long. It's long. Next we make other long short line. Just gonna make a short one here. Next we're turning up very high. Here, we stop here. We step all the way. Okay, next we're drawing this. It's gonna put from there. Next we're turning all the way to the garbage truck. Our garbage trucks, they look okay. They look beautiful. They look okay. They're different ones. We stop fine. Here to here. All the ways. A little bit very far. And our garbage truck, we gotta clean it up. Okay, we'll start. Okay. We can call our garbage trucks if we finish. Okay, we finished drawing our garbage truck. Next, we're going to color it. This one we're going to color it green. blue. Ooh, ooh.